Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I get asked this regularly. There were moments where this was not possible. There were moments when this was possible, then it disappeared. But if you're on the latest versions of Windows 11, yes, you can uninstall the Copilot app, and it will uninstall the Copilot dependencies of Copilot everywhere. So if you would like to have Copilot removed out of Windows 11, all you have to do is simply go to your Start menu, go into your Settings. You can right-click in the Start menu to go to Settings if you don't see it. Go into Apps. Here, go into Installed Apps. And here, make sure that you have sorted by name A to Z. And if you go down to C, you will see that an app called Copilot is here. All you have to do is go to the right, click the three dots, and go into Uninstall. And then it will say this app and its related info will be uninstalled, and you can click the Uninstall button if you wish to remove Copilot from Windows 11. This can be reinstalled if you ever want it back, and it is simply to reinstall from the Microsoft Store. All you have to do is go to the Microsoft Store, search for Copilot, and have it reinstalled back on your PC. So yes, you can uninstall Copilot. You don't need any third-party software for that. There is a way to uninstall it. Microsoft had removed the uninstall capability at some point, but has since put it back, and I guess it's because of all the backlash, all the negative comments about Copilot. So Microsoft just decided, well, okay, you don't want it, you want to uninstall it, you can do it now with Windows 11. This is a video on 25H2, and I believe 24H2 also has the capability. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.